Hello and welcome to this video lecture. In this video, we'll be talking about divisibility by 4 or 8. The remainder questions after a division by 4 or 8. The remainder after a division of an integer by 4 is the same as the remainder after dividing the last two digits of the number by 4. The remainder after a division of an integer by 8 is the same as the remainder after dividing the last three digits of the number by 8. This type of question appears in the exam from time to time. It does not appear as frequently as the units digits questions or the remainder questions after a division by 5 or 10, but make sure to memorize this as well. For example, let us take a random number, say 271,314,532,726. Now, to check the remainder when this number is divided by 4, just take the last two digits, 26, and divide it by 4. Then we get 26 equals 4 times 6 plus 2. So the remainder when we divide 271,314,532,726 by 4 will also be 2. Now to check the remainder when 271,314,532,726 is divided by 8, just take the last three digits, 726, and divide by 8. Then we get 726 equals 8 times 90 plus 6. So the remainder when we divide 271,314,532,726 by 8 will also be 6. The reason for this concept is that you are dividing 271,314,532,726 by 4. 271,314,532,700 will be divisible by 4 as 271,314,532,700 equals 2,713,145,327 whole times 100 equals 2,713,145,327 times 25 times 4. Thus, we are left with only 26 from the original number. Similarly, as 1,000 equals 8 times 125, we take the last three digits, 726 in this case, when we are checking for divisibility by 8. 271,314,532,000 will be divisible by 8 as 271,314,532,000 equals 271,314,532 times 1,000 equals 2,713,145,327 times 125 times 8. Thus we are left with only 726 from the original number.